Good morning, student. This is Vikrant Thomas, and today I am going to teach you computer subject. Today I'll take the first lesson, and the name of the first lesson is Evolution of Computer. Do you know, children, what is the definition of computer? Computer is an electronic machine which accepts the input from the user, performs logical and mathematical calculation, and gives out the result as an output. Do you know, student, how your computer works? Now, your computer works in three different stages. The first stage is input stage, the second stage is process stage, and the third stage is output stage. Here you can see life cycle of a computer. The first stage is input stage, second stage is process stage, and the third stage is output stage. Now, where input is a command or instruction given by the user. Input means the command and instructions given by the user. Then process means the calculation work, whether it can be a logical calculation or mathematical or arithmetical calculation. All the process of all kind of calculation to get the desired result is done in this process part. Now the third stage is output stage. The output is the result which we can get after the processing of the input by the computer. Now I think it is very clear to you all the three different stages of computer. Now student, do you know how we give input to the computer, how we get the process, how we get the output? Now, to give input to the computer, if we want to give input to the computer, we need an input device. To get the output from the computer, we need an output device. To get the calculation done in the computer, we need process device. Now we are going to discuss what is input device, what is process device, and what is output device. Now the first is input device. The device through which we give command to the computer is known as input device. Simple, the device through which we give command to the computer is known as input device. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, light pen are the input devices. Now process device, the device through which the computer does all the arithmetical and logical calculation is known as process device. And the example of a process device is CPU. CPU full form is Central Processing Unit, and it is also known as the brain of a computer. Now the third device, that is output device, the device through which we get the result from the computer is known as output device. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Now student, do you know the history of a computer? Do you know how a computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculation. Let us glance through the major milestone in the journey leading to the evolution of our present day. The need to keep track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from the abacus, the first calculating device, many devices were invented, leading to the development of computer. Now here we are going to discuss the early calculating devices. The first early calculating device was abacus. You can see in a picture, early calculating device abacus 3000 BC. It was invented in 3000 BC. Now abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation developed in China. It was made by wooden frames with rods, each having beads. Upper frame of the abacus is called heaven and lower frame is called as earth. Heaven rods has 2 beads and earth rod has 5 beads. Please refer page number 6, figure 1.1. Here you can see the picture of abacus, figure 1.1. This is heaven and this is earth, and these are the beads.